In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the direct selection tool in the Photoshop app. First, you have to open up the app, and here, let's say we have a path that we drew with the pen. I don't know, something like this. And we want to change this. We just click on the direct selection tool here, and now we will be able to move around these spots. We can change the angle like this, to match our liking more. Like this. That's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.